Sloss Furnaces in Birmingham, Alabama. A lot more than iron flowed from those furnaces. Our whole culture did. Our whole way of life.
In an effort to overcome an unreliable workforce, companies would create towns where families could live nearby the furnace, mine, or factory. These company towns would have low rents, community spaces, doctors' offices, churches, and schools. It kept the workforce nearby and available if the need arose, and created a sense of place founded in identifying oneself as a member of the company. Workers could get advances on their paychecks in the form of scrip, which would only be usable at the company-run store or offices. Sloss Quarters was made up of 48 shotgun-style houses, which were dismantled in the 1950s. Two of the factors that led to the dismantling of the Sloss Quarters was 1. The more readily available access to cars, which allowed workers to live further from the plant and still be able to get to work on time, and also the environmental and health risks of living underneath the pollution of the Sloss furnaces.